guys, this is my day one talking to myself on my camera. For today's picture, let's get ready with me. I'm still shy. So ayun guys, skin prep muna tayo. I'm not a pro, I'm only beginner. Actually, this is my first time doing my makeup on my own. I just watched some tutorial. I think this is like water. Like clean your face. I watched this when I bought, but I think just to make sure it's clean. I'll just make this dry. Make my face dry.
Mommy.
Look, machi. Next one is moisturizer. This is my moisturizer.
Go.
Malinit na lang siya.
Mommy.
Make it dry again. Next is sunscreen.
Mommy.
You have your own. I just done with my skin prep, and I don't usually do makeup. This is my first time. I'm taking my first makeup. So let's just wait. So based on my tutorial I watched, she put primer first. I did the primer and then do this. Next, foundation. Naglagay lang ako dito guys. I'm not sure guys if the amount I put is enough, but that's okay. Next guys, concealer to hide my eye bags. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right. I just following what she done on her tutorial. May nagbago ba? Next is I'm gonna put blush. Next is contour. I don't know how to do this yet, but I'm gonna try. I'm just gonna try. I don't have brush pa, so I'm just gonna use my finger to blend this. Pinggan ko na lang. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this right. If I'm doing it right, I don't think so. What do you think? And next, I'm gonna put some highlighter on top of my nose.
Right. No.
I'm not sure if this is right. Kita ba? Parang hindi naman kita. I also try to put some eyeshadow. Wala akong brush. I don't have brush. So I'll just gonna use my hand. Hindi ko lang kita ngayon. Then I'll just gonna put some shimmer. Yeah. What do you think? Next, I'll just add some eyebrow. Just on the end because it's not that, what do you call it? Like it's fading on the end. I'm just gonna set it that. Ayos na ba? Look at this, there's a lipstick from Maybelline. Uh-oh. Second spray. So yun na. Finalize ko na lang siya guys. Para sa sulat. Just gonna comb my hair. And then,